Introducing Impulse Ice, a glazed, polished porcelain tile that covers a large surface area, thanks to its impressive size, to create a low-maintenance, seamless look with ease. Offering a smooth surface texture and gloss finish, Impulse Ice is both classic and modern all at once. Its light grey colour and natural veining work together to deliver a clean and crisp visual impression. Use Impulse Ice on interior floors and walls, from bathrooms and bedrooms to kitchens and living areas, and harmonize it with warm metallics, wood and leather, ceramics, rugs, and other contemporary furnishings and finishes to create a refined and welcoming canvas. Not just high-end design, but also high-end technology. Impulse Ice makes the grade for stain, crack, temperature, and chemical resistance. Invite it into your home today and experience the perfect blend of luxury, functionality, and enduring style. Shop it online or in-store now at Italtile.